One day, Diesel was sent to Arlesborough to pull cars on the line where Ryan and Daisy work. Daisy really is one of a kind, uniquely useful, and she never tires of reminding the other engines about this. Diesel was cross with Daisy the Diesel railcar. He thought she was very full of herself, and he was fed up with her boasting. Harvey is a tank engine, with a crane mounted on top of his boiler. A unique engine, one of a kind. Then, Diesel saw a way to show Daisy that she wasn't the most singular engine on Sodor. So, Diesel started spreading rumors and causing problems between Harvey and Daisy. Daisy was on her way to Harwick when there was trouble. Diesel was in such a grumpy mood that he didn't notice that the points were set towards the ramp that led down towards the sea. Daisy the Diesel railcar likes that her new friend Harvey is so different. And Harvey admires Daisy just for being Daisy.